Mr. Chain is your source for, well, chain. Lots and lots of chain, able to create visual barriers to protect people and property when used with stanchions or ground poles. Mr. Chain's plastic chain offers effective crowd controls in manufacturing plants, distribution centers, parking lots, on construction sites, and more. Plastic chain is available in standard and bicolor options and packaged in almost any length of chain, in cartons, pails, and reels, with UV protection and a lifetime guarantee.
The Parking Zone is proud to supply the parking industry with the best products available. If you have any questions, call us at 1-800-292-7275. Visit us online at ParkingZone.com or email us at orders@ParkingZone.com. We are available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday.